Hello, and welcome. Today, we are not just showing recipes, we are opening a door. This is family Mexican cooking. Food that does not chase trends. Food that does not try to impress. Food that simply belongs at the table. The kind of cooking that fills a home with aroma long before anyone sits down. The kind that makes someone walk into the kitchen and say, "What smells so good?" Inside this category, you will find dishes that are generous, hearty, comforting, made to be shared. Let us show you just a few of them. Take a look at our Homestyle Ranchero Steak. Tender strips of beef, simmered with tomatoes, onion. The sauce is bold, the flavors are deep, and every bite feels like it was made for family. Now, let's move to something rooted in northern tradition. Asado a la Plaza. Simple ingredients, cooked with patience, served the way it has been for generations. It is not flashy. It is not complicated. It is honest. And that honesty is what makes it unforgettable. But family Mexican cooking is not only about the expected. It is also about the dishes that define real home kitchens, like our beef tongue in tomato sauce, tender, slow-cooked, finished in a rich tomato sauce with olives that add just the right touch of contrast. This is not restaurant food. This is food that carries memory, food that carries history, food that carries pride. And what you are seeing here is only a small glimpse. Inside the SmartKitchen Library, the family Mexican cooking category includes many more dishes. Traditional meats, comfort classics, everyday favorites, celebration plates, meals that do not whisper, they speak, meals that do not decorate the plate, they fill it. If real home cooking still matters to you, if you believe that gathering around a table still means something, then you are in the right kitchen. Download the free SmartKitchen ebook in the description below. Take your first step inside the library. And if you enjoy discovering authentic, satisfying dishes like these, subscribe to the channel, tap the bell, and join us as we continue building something meaningful. We are just getting started. See you at the table.